こんにちは。Welcome to the Learning Cafe. Do you feel like you need a little help with your Japanese? Is there a grammar point that you just cannot understand well? Don't worry, it happens to everyone. It happened to me when I was learning English. The Learning Cafe, you can improve your Japanese in a warm environment. You'll get personalized feedback and advice for anything you're struggling with in Japanese. You'll discover new ways to improve your Japanese, and you can join with chat, audio, or video, whatever you feel comfortable with. There's a monthly live session and you'll have direct access to me. So you can ask me anything about Japanese language, culture, and study method. I've dedicated my life to helping and supporting Japanese learners stay motivated and excited about Japanese learning. Real communication from your heart will enrich your life. And even total beginners can communicate in Japanese. My passion is making that possible, and I want you to experience this in the same way that my students do. Register now to book your spot for the next online live Learning Cafe. Next Learning Cafe live event is on May 31st at 9 p.m. Tokyo time, so register now to book your spot. The links are in the description box below. Grab a coffee and see you there.